This is a Euro Index weekly chart. As you can see here, I made this chart on the 5th, September 5th, and it's still intact, and it's coming off of actually a TL. You can see this small blue TL. The first touch was this one, the second was, well, the first and the second point of the TL are these two, and then you can see here the last week. Let me just make it a little bigger. All right, so the last week was a doji after hitting the TL, and this week so far, this is a black candle. We are going down. The euro is going down. Euro is getting weaker, and this this white line here, this is a number. Is this very important number? It's a monthly high, and it is 29.86. And if we can stay below, then we're gonna drop. All right, so we are dropping. And this is 29.86 is right there. Okay, so this is what it is. So we are leaving that behind. My monthly chart I made on the 13th June, going to the downside here, and now I think the travel towards it started already. So euro, as long as it stays below 29.86, will be dropping. It's my 40-minute chart. Pretty messed up, huh? All right, so I'm going to be following that. So that's how 29.86 is. And euro is on the left-hand side in each and every single pair. So euro going down, all the euro pairs going down. This could be wave 1, 2, followed by wave 3, which usually goes to 1.618. And if it is a correction, then usually it goes to AB equal to CD, like around 100%. So 100% is right there. And see, 127 is the ideal one because this number is a big number as well. 2901 on a monthly chart, you can see 2901 is this. So now we are dropping towards 2901. Okay, so and 2901, what the heck? What happened? This is a 20-minute chart, and 2901 is right there, around 127 fib expansion. So this is where we're going probably, and probably more. Okay, so let's see. Weekly chart again, going towards that, and then maybe later on even more to the downside, 2901. But first thing first target is 2901. And doing so, euro is getting weaker, and all euro pairs, EUR-AUD, EUR-USD, EUR-yen, EUR-NUSD, they will be going down. Look for the currency that is getting strong, right? So weaker currency versus strong currency pair will go down faster. All right. So use whatever the system you have to make an entry, my system or anything else, and good luck. So I'll show you if I take any entry later on, maybe tomorrow, in euro pairs. Yen pairs haven't moved yet to the upside, so I'm just waiting. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. How do I close this?